Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Business Boot. Please subscribe to this channel, it's quite very essential. The topic we are going to be treating today is 5 ways how to make money online in Nigeria. Nigeria is one of the most populous country in Africa, over 200 million plus, with big economic and one of the most hardworking country on earth. So business that you can do online in Nigeria and can become a millionaire once you are consistent and you are hardworking and follow various ethics. So there is various ethics here in Nigeria to make money online. So it needs seriousness, not just anyhow. Consistency and be productive So there are various online business in Nigeria that is going to generate meaningful income, but Rome was not built in a day. So making money online in Nigeria involves using digital platform and skills to generate income. Digital, maybe online, digital platform. So and skills, you must have the skills. When the skills no there, you are going to stress yourself. Online business also require being hardworking. Once you are not hardworking, online business in some ways is very stressful. Once you don't know what you are doing, so there will be a lot of confusion. You must be skillful first. So this includes the work you can do online, freelancing work such as writing, graphic design, programming, selling products or service online. Various types of things you can sell with. Various companies can register with and sell through their referral link. Participating in affiliate markets, creating monetized content through blogging, vlogging, and engaging in online trading or investment. So that's a way. So affiliate marketing, Amazon. So there are various types of affiliate marketing business here also in Nigeria, like is it Konga and some others. We have so monetizing your content through blogging, through YouTube, through engaging online trading or investment. You have cryptocurrency, is it Binance and various others where you can invest your money and make meaningful income in Nigeria. So 5 business you can do. The first one is freelancing. So like writing, digital work, graphic designs, programming and digital marketing and others. Selling maybe digital products online. So offer your skills on freelance platform like Upwork, Fiverr, and whether it's writing skills, maybe generating content from the scratch, business content and various other graphic design, various type of design. Is it a logo for your organization, a thumbnail, or for a YouTube video and various others, various type of designs, and you make meaningful income at the end of this. Another business you can do online here in Nigeria and make meaningful income. The second one is e-commerce. So once you don't have enough money, I don't think you can be successful in e-commerce. So there are some well-established companies here in Nigeria that they sell through e-commerce, like online business that sell various type of products, phone, bags, shoe, cars, gadgets, various type of gadgets, fitness equipment, books, charger, earpicks, headsets, MP and various others. It's like that platform, you can sell various type of things. Starting online platform like Jumai to sell products. You can either create your own product or source them from supplier and drop shipping them to and you are going to build their business. They are going to drop the ship to the right customer at when you blogging and vlogging. So it's very common in Nigeria in some ways to create a YouTube channel, start uploading video. So when the video is meaningful and very creative, you are going to earn a meaningful income at the end of the day. So consistency, there is a watch time. You need a watch time on YouTube and a subscriber. You need their requirement before you can earn. And blogging. So once you know how to write content from the scratch, you can have various content on various topics, on various keywords that people are searching for on a daily basis on Google. They are going to make a meaningful income to blogging. Blogging can make you a millionaire. YouTube can make you a millionaire once you know what you are doing. But Rome was not built in a day. Once you do it right, you are going to earn a meaningful income. But once you do it wrong, it will be frustrating. 4. Affiliate marketing. So like I've said, Amazon, Jumai, Konga here in Nigeria. So when you can join the affiliates, you go and register with them, can sell through their company, can sell phone, once they bought through your affiliate link, they are going to make a meaningful. Maybe once they buy a shirt from your link now, maybe the shirt is 15,000, your commission is 1,000 naira. So that's what I mean, like affiliate marketing. Once you go and register with the company and they give you your own personal link, once anything they bought from that link, so there will be a commission for you on that link. So another business idea, join affiliate program for companies and promote their product or service through your website, blog, social media. So you can promote, if you have a website, you can promote it on social media and you earn commission for every single segment from your links. So you may earn a commission from any single sales made from a lead. And the last but not the least is online courses and coaching. So you can, once you are, maybe you are skillful, you know how to teach very well. So there's various type of business online that can teach people maybe how to blog, how to create a YouTube video, attractive YouTube video, how to do this, how to do that. Sell a course online. You can sell a course online on particular subject, maybe how to lose a tummy, how to have a good body shape. There are various topics, and at the end of the day, you are going to earn a passive income. Thank you and God bless you. Please subscribe to this channel.